Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower turnkey package engine with a brand new dart block for our customer's 1979 Corvette L82. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Okay, we started with a brand new dart block. This is a 383 Chevrolet stroker engine, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, brass freeze plugs installed. We have the Compcams Rollercam camshaft in there, correct oil pan for the 79 Corvette. It's a late model block, one-piece rear main seal. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in red, American made. All the wire markers are on there, all set. Roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. It's real nice 383 stroker black valve covers. Russell heavy duty PCV line, PCV valves installed. We have the low profile 14-inch air cleaner with the washable filter in there. It's the correct height for the 79 Corvette hood line, all set. We have the thermostat housing on there. Thermostat's installed. 2 extra water ports on the thermostat housing for any sensors if needed. We have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. GM Performance HEI distributor all set in place. We have the proper standard flywheel, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevrolet and the customer's transmission. ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearings installed, high torque mini starter. We have chrome dipstick and tube. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the braided line at the carburetor, electric choke wire. Customer requested the fuel pump with the 3 lines on there, the one that goes back to the tank. So we put the correct one for the 79 Corvette on there. It's a Muscle Cars series fuel pump. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor, inline gas filter. This is a March Performance serpentine pulley kit. This is the correct serpentine pulley kit for the C3 Corvette. It's special. The crank pulley is set in for the cross member clearance. So this is exclusively for the C3 Corvette. Drop in ready. AC compressors on there. Shorty standard rotation aluminum water pump. 140 amp one wire hookup alternator. We have the GM Type 2 power steering pump on there. Belt tension set on both belts. We supply the remote reservoir and the correct power steering line kit for the 79 Corvette and this pulley kit. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We set the ignition timing. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So when you put the engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call on 908-323-5847. You can send us a text at that number or email us at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-run business here. So there you have it, our 383 Chevrolet stroker engine with a brand new dart block, AFR heads, Compcams Rollercam for the 79 Corvette. Thanks for watching.